told you there wasn't no heat in my bedroom? Well, this ought to be fun. First on YouTube, a drunken under the house video. This is one of those damn wrappy things. Let's start the other end. Yeah. Yeah, it's one of those electrical ropey thingamajigger bobs. I did, now I can't. I fucked up. Can't figure out how the hell to get it out of there. So I'm going to attempt, maybe, to crawl under the house and remedy the situation of the lack of heat from the heater, the furnace in my room. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, here we go, honey. I'll have to show you how to do this sometime when I'm not drunk. Right now I'm a little intoxicated. Worst part about it is, my bedroom's at the other end of the house. So hopefully, maybe I'll take you down there with me. If I make it in one piece. We have them damn camel crickets. I hate them damn things. Okay. Oops. So I'll wrap this to make sure, because I'm the only one here at the house. If they find my body 6 months from now. Anyway, I've got that. Hold on a second. I'm fucked up, folks. This ought to be fun. I have a hole that's about 18 inches wide I have to crawl through. This should be entertaining as shit. And I have a trouble light. See, not all women are completely unprepared. I love power tools. Got all kinds of good stuff. If anybody would love to send me a nice, see, I even know to do this. To tie that. That's it. So they don't come undone when I'm under the house. If anybody would like to send me an SAE and a metric socket set, that would be awesome. And one of those adapters, you know, so woo, works. Ready to go with me? Let's go. Okay, I'm a fat ass. So, basically, does anybody else have problems with camel crickets? And this is probably out of focus because this is my old flip cam. I'm not taking that new thing under there. So, I am a fat ass. So, I'm going to have a shitload of fun trying to go in that hole. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Watch me squeeze my fat ass through this hole. Chop, 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 chop. Chop, 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 chop. Spooky shit. Yeah, I love crawling under the house. So anyway, I may have to go get the other tripod. I think it's shorter than this one, so I'll be right back. So anyway, as I was saying, basically the goal here is for me to crawl under the house, to the other end of the house, to the very end of the house, all the way to the west end of this house, and see what the hell is wrong with my heat. I didn't have air conditioning in there, so anyway, so I'm going to crawl through that tiny freaking hole. Probably have to butter my ass to do it. Oh shit, I probably just broke the light bulb. Damn it. Let's see. Nope, still works. Anyway, I'm drunk. I'm the only one at the house. Somebody else went to a funeral. So, let's go. I think I'm going to make sure I don't have any knots in my cord before I get down there. So anyway, be back in just a second. Now, as I was saying, the beauty in this is the fact that I am fat. As soon as you crawl in that hole, there is a beam that you have to scoot down in. So, basically, I'll be going on my belly all the way to the very back of the house. So, I don't know how this video is going to turn out. So, stick around with me. Let's go, folks. Alright, here we go. Yay. Hope John Wayne Gacy didn't live here first. Yeah. Okay. Let's do this. Nobody else is going to do it for me. So let's drop the light down in there. And let's go in. Let's go over this way. I can see the pipes are apart. And actually, oh fuck. I got a major fucking problem under here. That pipe's not the only one that's fallen. I've got 2 pipes that have come down. Son of a bitch. No wonder there's no damn heat in my room. Alright, under the floor. I see it right here. Where that's come apart. Right over here. There's the trunk line where it comes into our furnace. And it is definitely apart. So, somebody freaking rigged this shit up. Look at this. Now I have to get on the other side of that. Why in the hell they rigged this shit up like this is beyond me. It's been tied up with wires there. So, let me see. See, I got shit here. It's like, what the hell is this crap? I hate to say it, but that's what you call African engineering. Alright. Now, I'm going to get this over here. Now, let me see if I can't set you up so you can see what I'm going to do. It's going to be a pain in the frickin' ass, I can tell that right now. Can you see why I didn't have no heat in my room? Look at this. It's completely disconnected. And there. So I'm going to have to connect this up. I'm going to have to connect those pipes up. And then probably have to go back and get some duct tape or something to try to put them back together. And it was propped up, the whole thing was propped up with these boards. So, first things first. Let's try to... Let's see if I can't get you in this video. I don't know. We'll see. Ground's not exactly level under here. Let's see. I don't even know what the hell I got you looking at. Alright. See if I can get this hooked back up. Okay, let's crawl back out. We'll go look. Okay, I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to crawl out from under here. I'm going to go get some duct tape so I can temporarily tape these so they don't fall again. And then I'm going to see if I have some sheet metal screws, and I'm going to screw these back together like they should be. Maybe wire them back up, I don't know. But these should have never been propped up with pieces of wood. These should have never been hung up with cheap, flimsy fucking wire. They should have been... Ah, shit damn hell. Should have used straps to fasten these up like they were supposed to have been done to begin with. So I'm going to crawl back out of here. This ought to be a frickin' trip. Especially for being drunk and being a fat, middle-aged woman. This really fucking sucks. So, let's go back out. Let's come back under. Stay tuned. Alright. Back towards the hole. Yay! God, this is fun. This is the most fun you can have with your clothes on. You know that? Alright. Alright, let me turn you off. Alright, we're ready to go back under. We have screw gun thingy majigger. We have duct tape. And I have sheet metal screws and a drill bit. So let's go. Alright, we're back under here. Yay, fucking roll. Too old for this bullshit. Fat 48-year-old women should not have to crawl under a house. Because I'm too old, I'm too fat, I don't move good, and there's no room to crawl under here. So, I brought some duct tape. I've got some sheet metal screws, and I also have my drill and bit and stuff. So, and this can stay under here, I don't give a shit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tape this joint first. There's a gas line. Leastways in a couple places, just so it doesn't scoot on me while I'm drilling it. I'm like Mike Holmes and stuff, do it right the first time, you don't have to frickin' do this shit. Do not prop up. Where's the end of this shit? Don't be propping up pipes with thin-ass wire and boards. It's like, really, people? This is cheap-ass duct tape. Who the hell knows? Shit probably won't last worth a damn either. Basically, it's just to hold it in place until I get it where... Yeah, that's a good piece. Yeah, not.